What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to Where's AJ Fishing Today. Golly, it's been a hot minute since I posted a video, but I've been fishing. Went yesterday, caught 2 little measly fish. Went last weekend, fished Friday, fished Saturday, caught 1 measly fish. A measly fish. Killing me. Be honest with you, I don't know how to fish what everybody is calling the fall transition. I don't know how to fish it. But I'm gonna learn, because I've made a decision. I'm a big hunter, and I ain't hunting this year. Not gonna buy my hunting license. That's right. Fish and fish and fish, and try to put some videos together in some cold water. Last year, after hunting season, my hunting season in Virginia ends first Saturday of the year. So the next weekend, I started fishing. I started recording, and I practiced for 3 months before I posted my first video. But I was catching the mess out of some fish. Oh my gosh, I was like, I've missed this my whole life, cold water fishing. I mean, I was wearing them out. I was catching big fish too. Golly. So I've made the decision. I'm taking a break from hunting this year. I'm gonna fish. Got the camper set up. I'll show y'all in the next video exactly what I'm talking about. We are at the pond. He is waiting on me. Well, it started pouring down raining, so I put the phone up. And when you know it, y'all look at that short, fat fish. That is a short, fat one. Choked it. That's a choke. I'm gonna put the camera back on there. Let it go. Let's go try another one. Ooh, he missed it. He wasn't even trying to eat it. Boom, got him, Joe. Yeah, I got him. You see how when I get on top of them lily pads, I burn it across there just as fast as I can. And as soon as it got to the edge, he hit it. But you got to hold that rod tip up so you can get it through the lily pads without getting all caught up. Fish number 2 in the rain. On the frog. But I tell you what, when they hit one, boy, they can sure tear up the frog, that's for sure. Look at the shot. Oh. That fish couldn't take it, Joe. Boom, he already hit it. Boom, hit it. Golly. Boom, I told you he was going to come back and get it. Throw it right back. Throw it right back in there.
I threw it right on it.
Oh, that's what's fun right there. It ain't fun to miss them, but it's fun with the action. Throw it on back in there. Turn around and throw it on back in there a couple more times and just see what happens. Go. That's a pretty decent fish, Jake. That's a good fish.
All right. Hold on. Look at that. Look at that.
Let me turn the boat away from the little pad. Oh, that fish couldn't take it, y'all. Oh my gosh.
Biggest one you caught.
No, this one ain't as big as the one I caught a couple weeks ago.
Nice fish, though.
It's gonna weigh 4.5, 5 pounds, Jake. He got a little mouth. Now look at that tail. Oh my gosh, that's a. This fish gonna grow up to be a giant.
All right.
Let's see what it weighs, Joe.
Come on.
There's 4, there's 5. 5 pounds even.
Ain't that something?
5 pounds, everybody. See if it ain't gonna make the 20-inch mark. It should. It's gonna be close. It's a short, fat fish.
Oh, get this side of the way.
Oh, that's good right there. Oh yeah, that's a. Come on, shut your mouth, girl. Shut your mouth. 20 and a half. 20 and a half. 20 and a half fat fish, y'all.
Just hold it.
Frog fish. It's raining. We thought we'd come out here before the big rain comes. I think this is my 3rd fish, right?
Yeah.
5 pounds even on the frog in the lily pad. They can't take it. Let's turn it loose. Thank you, sir. I caught that fish on the edge of that point. I see how them lily pads are coming out to that point.
They're flopping over. They're flopped up.
Right there.
Oh, right.
That's exactly, as soon as it come through them lily pads, because I threw it way over there. But as soon as I come across that point and it made it to the open, as soon as it hit the open water, nailed it. So I don't know if she was sitting there or if she followed it. Oh, did you get it? Did you get it? Oh. It happens, Joe. Oh, me. Oh, I got him, Joe. I missed him. I missed him. If I can't throw it back in there and get it again. We need this rain to stop. This rain stopped, they'll probably go to biting again. Get under that bush. If this rain slacks up a little bit, then a lot will go back biting again. They didn't quit right now, I think. I missed him. Yes. But he hit it as soon as it hit the water. I bet you the closer we get toward that bat, we'll start catching fish again. Ooh, that was a big fish. Oh, no. Come back and get it. Hey, throw it right behind me. You go. All right, yeah. I bring it on through that just like that. That was a big fish, Joe. Come on, hit it.
Go ahead.
No, I want you to throw in there again.
I got malfunction. Go ahead.
He probably ain't gonna hit it there because I don't think he was trying to eat it. I think he slapped or she slapped it. Oh my goodness.
You hit it again?
No, I can't believe I missed it. Like, you see that bush coming out the water? And they got new leaves on it? I throw around that. Throw it past it though. No, right here. Right where the lily pads stop in this open water. There you go. Bring it right on through it. It's just like that. That was good. Well, something gonna hit that, Joe. Pow, pow. Hit it. Boom. Hit it. I can't believe a fish ain't hit that already. Right there. Boom, boom. Golly. That looked good. That was good looking stuff right there, Joe. Look like it, does it? Oh, I missed him. Oh my goodness. How'd I miss him again?
I didn't know.
No, that stump right there. Let's see if he hit it a second time.
They're just knocking it out of the way.
Golly, man. The misses is better than the catching sometimes. It's so exciting. Oh, me. Now, I wasn't moving that fast, so that fish, I just slapped at it, all it did.
Again, didn't it?
Oh my goodness, there's two, same spot, probably the same fish, even though that one was on the other side of the bush. I'll throw it by that bush, Joe, and that stump. Get as close to it as you can. I think so. Yeah. Oh, it come off. It had it, and it was coming out here with it. I didn't set the hook good. That fish was gone with it too, buddy. That fish had it in its mouth. I guess I just, oh my God, I need to stand up and get it right on the edge of the lily pad, get my butt off the seat. Golly. I think that was a good fish, Joe. Felt like. Did not set the hook. Did not. All I did was real tight. Did not set the hook. Cost me a big fish. Tag gone.
Sitting down.
Well, I sure appreciate you bringing me, Joe.
You're welcome, man.
We had a good time.
And if I didn't get one.
Should I had more fun missing the fish?
Yeah.
Which I really didn't have fun missing the fish.
Yeah.
But you know that's exciting when they blow up on it like that and hit it with the tail and don't put it in the mouth. But I missed the big one that had it in her mouth. That was my fault. I don't know what I was thinking.
Hitting like that, you get shell shock or something, you think everything's hitting.
Yeah. Well, I sure appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.